Now this point must go to the crease. This point must go to that point, which is the end of the diagonal crease, which connects to the half line and crease. And now we're going to do another complex part. You count this as a valley fold, and you count this as a mountain fold, and you make some pre-creases. You pre-crease that pleat first. Alright, now open this layer on both sides, and then push and pick up this layer. And this is a complex part and hard to figure out. So, and then you pick up this layer and pull it to the edge, and on the other layer too, and then the rest goes actually automatically, so you get a structure like that. And now you need to do that on the other side as well, but this time by doing the same. So you pick up this layer and pull it to the edge, just like the rest, and then just flatten the model, and you make the base for the head. Now on the back, you fold this layer up, zooming in on the head. You make pre-creases by folding the whole cluster of layers to this diagonal here, and only folding on this part. Now you count this as a valley fold, and you count this as a mountain fold, and spread sync this middle layer here, this one, out of the three layers, and you squash fold this. Wait a minute. So you squash fold that, and spread sync the middle like this. Do this nicely, and then you unfold that squash fold, and make sure this point goes on that point, like that, and fold the new creases and want to be made. And then crease here by folding this whole thing here, and then you put your finger over here and fold this too, and then you squash fold the flap to make a preliminary base structure here, and petal fold this layer here, alright. Now you open one of the layers of the petal fold, unsync one of these layers, and put that layer aside. Do that on the other side as well, by opening this layer here, unsync this layer, spread syncing the other layer, and then fold that layer aside. So you get 2 layers on each side. Fold the triangle back up. And yeah, that was another complex part. Now, fold this edge to the middle line, and do that on the other side as well. And now fold the point to almost half of this and this point, which is the end of this crease. Unfold and refold that point to that crease, and refold these creases, so you get something like this. Now you fold this layer up, and now we're going to work on the neck once again by first folding this point to that point and crease until the beginning of the diagonal here, and now fold the point to the beginning of the crease and crease until the beginning of the crease you just made, so you get a little triangle here. Now we're going to pleat the structure, and we're going to do it like this. On this side we see 2 layers, 2 neck layers, and on the other side we see just 1. Now pleat with help of the existing creases, and shape the structure in 3D. Get something like this. Fold the legs on each side down, so you get more space for the next folds. So after you did the pleating part, you have to release one of these layers and fold it up. You need to do this, put this edge on that edge,